1977 Toyota Land Cruiser BJ40. This has the diesel B engine, 3000 cc's, and this has been restored to the best of my ability and the previous owners. It has originally 37,000 miles on the clock. The interior is in great shape. Door cards, 40/60 bench. Upholstery is good. There's one small seam right there that needs to be resewn. We've got an original Toyota rare as hen's teeth floor mat. Now this is a JDM model, so it is right-hand drive. Unlike many of the BJ40s that you may see coming in from South America, this has all the amenities that the North American models got of the FJs of 77. So as you can see, we've got heat, front disc brakes, we've got a 4-speed manual transmission here, and it really runs great. I just had the engine rebuilt, so the head was removed and new gaskets all around, new radiator, water pump was rebuilt, new belts, among many other things. But today I want to show you what this is all about here, and so you guys can enjoy. So the rear, we've got the single person seats. This one's folded up. So that's the rear. Of course, in the front, we've got door cards, dash and dash pad, all in great condition. Mileage is 61,000 kilometers, or about 37,900 miles. Original Toyota rubber floor mat. And what I'll do here for you guys is start it up, give it a quick walk around so you can hear the engine. So why don't we do that? So in here is the, it's got the B diesel engine. It gets about 35 miles per gallon. Recently rebuilt top end, gaskets, valve grind set. New tires all around, 31 BFG all-terrains. Runs like a top. Anyways, thanks for watching this quick walk around section. and stay tuned for more cool videos. Thanks, guys.